Everyone, it's Jeannie again, and I am back today with a paper crafting video. I have a few projects to share, and then I also have a Tuesday morning haul that I thought I would share with you. So let me go ahead and get started. The first project that I wanted to show you is I've been working on some little treat boxes, and I like to give my teaching staff a little gift when we have our annual meeting every year, and this year it's in October. And I have this little box die that I got. I actually think I got it off of AliExpress maybe a year ago or so, but I had never used it to make anything. And I decided I would try some little favors, and this is how they came out. I have one that's Halloween here with just a sticker and some washi tape, and I put some of that little shred on the inside, and then I would put a few little treats in there and then probably tie it closed with a ribbon. So that's the first one I made. And then I also did some that were more Thanksgiving themed. So I know not everybody likes Halloween things. So this is actually a sticker from the Dollar Tree, a really, really old paper flower with a gem, and then just some of that shred from the dollar store that's in there too. And this paper was from, both of these papers were from a 12 by 12 paper pad, and actually they were scraps that I had. I was just kind of playing around. So I'll probably make some more of those and put, you know, a couple of little chocolates or something in there. And so I made those. I thought those turned out cute. And then I also, my daughter's birthday was on it was actually on Thursday, but we're actually celebrating today, which is Sunday, September 30th, and we have a gift for her, and I also made her requisite mermaid card. If you guys ever have been following my channel for a while, you know that I usually make mermaid-themed cards for my daughter and dragon-themed cards for my son, and so I had actually gotten this stamp also, I think, at the same time I got that die from AliExpress, and it's a stamp and die combination. And I used some Distress Oxide inks in the background, and I think they were picked raspberry, pistachio, cracked pistachio, and salty ocean were the three that I used, and I did the water splatter technique. Really, I love those inks now. I want all of them. I have about 12, and now I want to get them all. But then, like I said, this mermaid I actually painted on, I stamped her on watercolor paper and painted her with my shimmering little watercolors, my cheapos that I got at Michael's. And then this was a Celebrate die that I showed in my last haul that I got at Joann's. And then I just picked out some sequins to go on there too, kind of like bubbles that sort of match the colors. So that's how the card came out. And the card base was actually from an American Crafts card base pack that I had from a while back. And then it just says Celebrate, it's your birthday. So we'll be signing that and giving that to her tonight. So, and then the last thing that I made was I'm actually getting ready to get a little great niece, and decided I actually wanted to, I've been cross stitching, and I wanted to stitch her something, but I just didn't have anything in my stash that I could get done in enough time. The baby's actually due in about 3 weeks, so I decided to do a paper craft project instead, and I made a little photo folio for her, and I have to credit, her name is Amber. She's Lyric Lover 810. For showing a tutorial on this, and I'll put her channel name down below. But she showed this little folio, and the thing that I liked about it is my niece isn't a crafter, and so I hate to give non-crafters projects that take a whole lot of, you know, tools and things to finish. So so I really like this because it's simple, and you can just put 4x6 pictures in it, and maybe do a little bit of journaling, and you're done. So so anyway, the collection I chose was, this is what I have left of the stickers, and then there's some of the paper scraps in here as well. But this is the Imagine collection from, I believe it's Authentique, and I got this at Tuesday morning earlier this year. So decided to do that. And then, oh, and let me show you, I guess this is kind of more neutral. I'll put it like this so you can see. And so here is, here's the album. and it is made out of just 12 by 12 papers. I did fancy up the cover a little bit. I used a hello die with some craft paper to die cut the hello, and then these are shimmery thickers that I had that were just the right color pink. And then I used a border sticker here and some lace, some crocheted lace right there. And then this little motif was already on the paper, but I added a little crocheted flower with a brad. I added another one of those brads here, and then this is a sticker from the collection that says Admit One. And I thought that turned out cute. And like I said, you can find the pocket folio tutorial on, like I said, I'll link it below. But then on the inside, every page has pockets, and so this is, and it's really nice with double-sided paper. So this was just, I cut around this motif on the paper to just have that on there. And then these are the photo mats, and there is, like I said, a 4 by 6 photo will go on here on both sides. And then I used my Stampin' Up! Tab punch to just put little tabs on there. I don't think Amber did that, but you know, I couldn't help it. I had to had to, you know, craft it up a little bit. But then they're naming the baby Athena, so I just stamped Sweet Athena, and these are from the stickers from the collection, and that was already on the paper. And then I did some of these little, I cut the cut-aparts down into little journaling spots. So, and I just used the stickers and some stamps. I stamped some lines on there, and then there's also another big photo map here. So, and they, you know, she could, if she gets really creative, she could put photos back here too, or just tuck them in, you know, maybe put some on the photo mats and then tuck some other ones in. There's plenty of space in these. So, and that's just kind of how it goes. Like I said, I've got these little cut aparts, and they all say something different. This one says baby, a little bit of heaven sent down to earth. And then here's another photo mat from the paper. I just have those tucked into the pocket that has some of the border sticker here. There were these quote stickers on the sticker sheet, and so I just used those. And then the only thing I did different here is there on the actually branding paper, they have these cute little strips, and I went ahead and made some bookmarks out of those. I set an eyelet and used some ribbon, and then used a little sticker on the back. So I thought that would be cute just to include those in. But that was really as fancy as I got, because like I said, if she's not really crafty, and I didn't want to give her a project to try to figure out. When you're a new mom, you don't need that kind of stress. So anyway, so here's another journaling card, and then another photo mat. Same thing, here's another bookmark. And I did figure out, you guys, why this paper was at Tuesday morning. It was missing some sheets of paper. Not all of the prints were in the pack. So, but these are all a little bit different. I just, like I said, just picked up some stamps and used some stickers and just put the tabs on just kind of randomly. And then here's another one. Some more, like I said, just journaling spots and stamps, journaling cards. Here's another one of the bookmarks. This is one of the prints that was not in the paper pack, which was a pretty one. I kind of wish it would have been, but it wasn't. And then another one of just the little journaling cards. So, so anyway, so yeah, so that's it. So she can get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 photos in here, even if she only uses the photo card. So, anyway, so now I'll probably put a sticker with my, you know, just congratulations and with our name on it and stuff on the back and the year that I made it. But that's my little folio. This was really fun to make, and it was really easy and quick. So I encourage you, if you're looking for a mini album to that's fast, that would be good, like I said, to give to a non-crafter, then that would be a good one. So quick little Tuesday morning haul. I did find one of these tins of sequins, and actually the mix, it's not very pretty. It's kind of got brown and green and red and blue. I don't know. It's not very pretty, but individually they're nice. So, because there's some like holographic ones in here and stuff like that. So I went ahead and got that, and that was $1.99. That was the only one that I found of those. And then I found some of these, I had seen people show these cutouts, and these are the glitter skulls. So I got a package of those, the glitter leaves, and this is actually like a dark purpley brown, and the orange. And then I found the jack-o'-lanterns as well. So I got those. This is, just a rotary stamp that has stuff about gratitude and thank you and autumn. So I liked that a lot. I love these. I use these. I have several and I use them a lot. I hadn't seen these ever at my Tuesday morning before, but they did have some, so I went ahead and got these. A lot of people have been showing these too, these tassels, but pretty cute. They had a ton of 6x6 paper pads, but I didn't really go crazy. I did get this one, and this one I think was from the Target Dollar Spot last year, and it was, I think, $3. And I like it because it's fall, but it doesn't scream Halloween, and it's got some pretty, I'm sorry I didn't open it, but it's got some pretty, it's got navy blue, and I love the buffalo check, and I also love that plaid. So, and some florals, so that was kind of fun. And then I got this one too, and this one's just all craft and gold, and I liked that too. Thought that would be good for die cutting. So I got those for $1.49. Then they had a bunch of these Create 365 Happy Planner sticker books, and this is the only one I got. They were $5.99, and this is the only one I got, and it's the one with all of the alphabets. And I hope I like these, you guys, because they're kind of on clear backing, and I don't always like that, but there was a really nice variety in here, and I'm a sucker for alphabets, so I went ahead, and they're silver and gold and black, so I decided just to pick them up. So I got those. Then I only got one. I was looking for some of the other Bo Bunny stamp sets, and I really didn't find a whole lot, but I did find this one, which I thought was cute with the emojis on it. So, and I was recently looking for some music note stamps, and I couldn't find any, so I probably have some somewhere, but I couldn't find them when I was looking for them. So, so there's that. Couple of packs of thickers. I found these tinsel ones in a metallic red. Love the font on those. These ones are called Bandana, and they are red, white, and blue. These are a Dear Lizzie, I think. Or maybe not. Okay, oh, the next one is a Dear Lizzie, and these are black and white. And these are called Petals. So I liked those, and I didn't have these, so I got those. Then I also, speaking of alphabets, I also found these alpha chips, and so they're just kind of a nice brown chipboard alphabet. You get a lot of them in here, and those were $1.49. I think these, you guys, were 99 cents. I think the prices have gone up a little bit because the thickers are $2.19 now, and they used to be $1.99. So, and then I got this is my second pack of these. These are the cards, the Anna Griffin cards for my friend, and these are just kind of nice to have on hand to sort of whip together, and so I think I will use these as is, and just make these up and have them on hand. So, and they were kind of masculine, even though they're friend cards. So I got that. They had tons of embossing folders. I only got this one. I thought this one with the leaves and the trees were cute, and it would be cute to maybe put a critter here, make a little scene. So I got that. And then I found the DIY shop, these phrase stickers, and these I think are older. They've been, well, it says 9/18, but, or maybe they're back, but I didn't ever find these before, and so I found them. So, and then I got a few of these, I am a sucker for these Echo Park and paper pads, and they had the fall ones. I was hoping to find these, and I did. So, the fall is in the air. There are the prints, and there's the sticker sheet, and I just love fall. And then the story of fall, this is Lori Whitlock, and again, these are the prints, and the stickers. I love the pie. So, and the wood grain, hedgehog, mason jars, just super, super, super cute. Probably didn't need them both. But then I got this too, and this is just paper. It was $2.99, and I don't think, yeah, it's Farmhouse Paper Company. But I thought the prints were pretty. I thought it would be cute for these to make these little Thanksgiving boxes out of these prints. I thought so. So I went ahead and just picked that up because I thought it was pretty. And I hadn't heard of this company before, but anyway, oh, I got a stencil. I don't really know why I hardly ever use stencils, but it was a percentage off of $3.99, and it's just the crosses. And it's 12 by 12, so I thought that was kind of cool because it's nice and big. I also saw this in someone else's haul. This is my Mind's Eye Blast Off. And even though I don't have little kids anymore, I still love things that are space themed. And this has some holographic and silver elements, and there is also a sticker sheet that's holographic. So, and I saw somebody go through this paper pack online, and I thought, if I see that one, I'm going to get it. So, and I did. So I found it. They were also, somebody else showed the 6x6 pad, but I did not find that. Then I got a couple of Christmas packs, and I think I meant to put one of these back. I didn't mean to get this one, I don't think. I think I was more interested in this one with the kind of the non-traditional teal and pink. But this one's called Holly Jolly Christmas, and it's pretty cute. It's got kind of this little Tipsy Santa. And then there's the there are the stickers, kind of looks like Whoville down here. Cute, I like that banner. And then this one is called I Love Christmas, and it's cute. I do like this little wood grain deer here, but and it's got kind of a, I don't know, almost like a beigey pink in it. But it's cute. It's cute. A little bit more. It's still cutesy, but maybe a little bit more rustic and more in traditional colors. So I got that one as well. So that was my haul and my little projects. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well and getting a lot of crafting done. It's almost October. Getting to be my favorite time of the year, so that's exciting. So I hope you're all doing well, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.